devoted coaches exemplify the true spirit of determination, discipline, and teamwork. They have trained hard, persevered through challenges, and now proudly march as representatives of their school in the Palawan Alamigan.
Muna sila sa una, last year, sa high school sila ni Daog.
Once again, the secondary delegates of Unit 4.
Laki.
Tibay ng diwa, kislat ng yaman, talento ng bayan, sa ritmo ng musika tayo'y magkaisa. Mula sa hirap, pagsubok na dinaan, pusong lumalaban at dito sinubukan, mga pangarap na ating binuo.